No bug. That's your nut.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day of It's a Bug's Life. It's so good to be back in front of you guys again. Here in Washington, the parks have opened again. The trails are open, so it's time to go wheeling. And so we need to talk running gears. So I've got the front axle behind me, and I've got the rear axle here as well. What Boo and I did was we purchased front and rear axles so that we can do an out-of-body, out-of-Jeep build. And what I mean by that is we didn't want to bring the Jeep into the garage, put it up on jack stands, and have it inaccessible to me for weeks or even months. We've never built axles before. And this is like my daily driver. So this was the perfect situation for us. And we've been looking a long time for a high pinion Dana30. They're actually quite difficult to find. And then one day, Boo wakes me up at 7 o'clock in the morning and says, I bought something. And I'm like, oh man, what did you buy? And he goes, not only did I find this a high pinion Dana30, but a matching 8 1/4 rear end to go with it. And it was a deal. It was a really good price. And so the guy brought it over, and he recognized us from being at Greenwater just the weekend before. You gotta love the Jeep community. And I know I'm gonna get a lot of shit about why are you gonna put money in a high pinion Dana30? But it's what works for us. They're light, they still have a lot of good clearance, and we're not gonna put, you know, tires that are 35 or bigger. We're not. So now that we have chosen our running gear, it is time for us to choose our lockers. So we're gonna go with front and rear selectable lockers. So I need feedback from y'all to tell me which ones should we choose. I wanna hear the positive experiences, the negative, and the pros and cons of each. So we're gonna be putting a lot of money into this. We wanna buy once, cry once. We're gonna be doing chromoly axles. We're gonna be trussing both of them. We're gonna be doing a WJ brake swap. And we're gonna do a disc brake conversion in the rear. We're gonna be doing a lot of upgrades. So I want to hear from you guys. I look forward to reading the comments, and I also cannot wait to see you guys out on the trail. What the hell is this? Babe, you might want to come walk this.
Are you serious?
How are you supposed to get over this first thing right here?
Well, if we got a winch, we'll winch, right? We're not gonna try and barrel up this. Hold it up, you got it?
Good job!
It is.